Please enjoy hundreds of my video lectures on telecom and wireless. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please also like my videos. Please share my channel with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.
Let us look at reverse traffic channels. This channel can multiplex primary voice and secondary data or signaling traffic. Reverse dedicated control channels, what are they? Used for the transmission of user information and signaling information to the base station during a call, similar to that of forward dedicated control channels. Please recall what forward dedicated control channel does, and the reverse dedicated control channel exactly does the same. Each reverse traffic channel may contain at least one reverse dedicated control channel. May also carry upper layer signaling and MAC messages. It reduces impact on voice due to high rate MAC signaling. Let's look at the next channel, that is reverse fundamental channel. This is used for the transmission of user and signaling information to a specific mobile during a call. Supports 5 milliseconds and 20 milliseconds frames. Supports variable rate transmission, different for different radio configurations. The next one is reverse supplemental channel. This is used for data calls and can operate at different agreed rates. Example, SR3 RC6 may be from 1036.8 kilobits per second down to 1.8 kilobits per second. If you look at SR1 RC1, it will be from 301.2 kilobits per second down to 1.5 kilobits per second. These channels are used for the transmission of user information, mainly data services, to the mobile. Reverse traffic channel contains up to 2 supplemental channels and up to 7 supplemental code channels. This replaces the dim and burst and the blank and burst. It's used for messaging and control for data calls. The next one is reverse traffic channel messages. What are these typical messages? First one is order messages. This includes base station challenge, parameter update confirmation, mobile station acknowledgement, service option request and response, release, connect, DTM of tone, etc., etc. Authentication, challenge response we have seen already. Data burst message we have seen already. Pilot strength measurement message, information about the strength of other pilot signals that are not associated with the serving base station. So it gives a good profile of the pilots around it. Power measurement report message sends frame error rate statistics to the base station, helps in power control. Handoff completion message, this is a mobile response to a handoff direction message that a handoff has been performed or not performed. Parameter response message, this is a mobile's response to the base station to a retrieve parameters message. Let's look at this slide, which gives a comparison of dedicated physical channels forward and reverse of CDMA 2000. In fact, this slide and the next slide bring out the comparison between the dedicated physical channels of the forward and reverse streams. The reader may go through them, which are self-explanatory. This slide and the next two slides bring out the comparison of common physical channels in the forward and reverse streams. The reader may go through these 3 slides, which are self-explanatory and highly detailed.
Hi guys, hope you have enjoyed this video. Before you leave this, please ensure that you are subscribing to this. Also, please do like these videos and share it amongst your friends and colleagues. There are plenty of other videos and I hope you will be able to find time to browse through all these things. Thank you.